I've been jumping on the sofa, get it out of your fault. I might hear something upstairs, I'll check what it is. Okay. What's that? What's that, Simon? Oh yeah, I was hiding in the bedrooms. And Harold's over there. What, Harold? Yeah, I'm here as well. This bedroom. Okay then. Is there a noise in here too? Hold on. Dave the Dragon, you're in here. Yeah, I came over too along with Simon and Harold. Okay, so there was one in each of the bedrooms and let's go to the sofa. Okay. I got some back. I thought we came over today. Yeah, we did. Yeah. Dave the Dragon also came over today as well. Yeah. We each one of them got in your bedrooms as well, like Yoshi. Simon was in your room, Harold was in Buttons' room, and Dave was in Mario's room. Okay, so Dave was in my room, Harold was in my room, Simon in my room. Yeah, that. Okay, look,